Yeah, hello my viewers and students. Today our topic is present perfect tense. In the previous class, I taught you present continuous tense and their various uses. Today our tense is present perfect. Let us see what is present perfect tense. First of all, as I was telling you, need to understand your definition of present perfect. Present perfect tense is a tense which is used the action which has been finished right now. कोई भी काम अभी अभी खत्म हुआ ऐसा कोई सेंसेशन मिलता है, so that is your present perfect tense. Any work or action which has been finished right now or recently. Okay, sometimes confusion is there and chances of mistakes are also more. Many times people do mistakes. If I ask you, for example, tell me something about yourself, then you are telling, yes, my name is this. My education is I have completed my graduation in the year 2020. Thereafter I have done a job, I have done all these are wrong. Thing is that practically we need to understand present perfect tense is a tense which has been finished recently, right now. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि कोई भी काम आप 2 साल पहले किए हो and you are using present perfect tense. I have completed my graduation. So it is not possible. That is simple. That goes to simple past. So very carefully you observe, the chances of mistakes are more in this tense. So first thing is, as I told you the definition. Now the rules are there. What are the rules? Rules. Your first rule is your subject plus have oblique has plus AMB3 plus object. Subject के साथ have has, these are two helping verbs and third form of the main verb. Main verb का third form use होता है. And have comes with I, you, we, they and plural number. Okay, have, I have learnt my lesson. We have played a cricket match recently. So these are have we use with I, you, we, they and plural number. Has comes with he, she, it, any single name. He, she, it or any single person we use has. Okay, so now see some examples are like this. Neha has gone to school. Okay, Neha has gone to school and I have learnt my lesson. We have learnt our lesson. You cannot say I have gone to office because you are here. You cannot say I have gone. I have been to the market. Been you can use. Be was where been. Been you can use with I. I have been to the market right now. So you cannot say I have gone to the market. It is not possible. We don't do it. And some restrictions are also there. I will let you know some, and some differentiations are there in this tense. American English, American people, how do they use present perfect, and British people, how do they use present perfect? Some differentiations are there. I will also tell you all these. Thing is now, what is the negative sentence of this tense? I have learned. I have learned. Another thing is see, some interesting things are there like learn, learnt. Learnt. Now here it is learnt. And learned is also there, ed, learned. Americans mostly, in American English we find the ed form of this. Okay, so now here we are using we have learnt our lesson. We have not yet learnt our lesson. अभी तक अगर हमने learn नहीं किया तो we have not yet learnt. If you want to ask any question, have you learnt your lesson? Have you learnt your lesson? Have you not yet learnt your lesson? Okay, how have you learnt your lesson? Why have you not yet learnt your lesson? In this way, overall 6 questions are there, 6 sentences are there. Okay, 4 questions and 2 answers. In every tense, mostly we are getting 6 to 7 sentences. So in this tense, we are getting 6 sentences. Now see the examples of all the present perfect. Yeah, see the example sentences. Neha has got a job. Neha has got a job. What is the meaning of this sentence? Neha को एक job, अभी एक job मिला है. Neha has got a job. So Neha, he, she, it, third person singular number. That's why has. Got, get, got. Got is the third form of the main verb get. Get, got. So Neha has got a job. It shows that recently she got a job. Date is not mentioned, time is not mentioned here. If any you cannot say, suppose in the last week she got a job. So you cannot use Neha has got a job. You have to use Neha got a job only, second form. MB2, Neha got a job. Because you know that in the last week she got a job, or in the last month, any past time. If any time is mentioned here, you cannot use present perfect tense. Here you have to see Neha has got a job recently. The sense comes recently. So we didn't mention any time or date or month or year. So then this tense is applicable. Neha has got a job recently. Sense comes, you may use recently, may not use, but that is your present perfect tense. Neha has not yet. Why you are using yet? Yet means अभी तक. नेहा को अभी तक कोई भी जॉब नहीं मिला. Neha has not yet got a job. So this is called negative sentence. This is negative sentence. Neha has got a job positive. Neha has not yet got a job. अभी तक नेहा को जॉब नहीं मिला. Now has Neha got a job? Suppose you were asking question regarding any person. So has she got a job? Has she not yet got a job? क्या उनको जॉब मिला है? क्या उनको जॉब नहीं मिला है? पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैज़ नेहा गॉट एनी जॉब? कोई भी जॉब मिला है क्या नेहा को? सो नेक्स्ट इज योर हैजंट नेहा गॉट एनी जॉब? क्या नेहा को कोई भी जॉब नहीं मिला? पॉजिटिव इंट्रोगेटिव, नेगेटिव इंट्रोगेटिव. सो दीज टू आर इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. देन कम्स WS family, any suitable WS family that you can use. When has Neha got a job? नेहा को कब जॉब मिला? And if you know कि she got a job on a particular date last week, in the last month, so then you cannot use this tense. She got a job in the last week. Okay, she got a job on particular date, you know. Okay, so that particular date you can tell in the any past time. So that is called time. Then you cannot use present perfect tense. That you have to use simple past. Okay, in the last month, Neha got a job. Not Neha has got a job in the last month. Not possible. Neha got a job only. MB2, simple past tense. Now, last is your why has, that is WH negative interrogative question comes only with why. केवल why से हम WH negative interrogative question put कर सकते हैं. That is why has she, why has, hasn't. We can use has not को hasn't. In spoken English we use like that. Why hasn't yet Neha got a job? नेहा को अभी तक जॉब क्यों नहीं मिला? Why has she not yet got a job? Why hasn't Neha yet got a job? Yet you can use here after not. Say arrangement point of view you can use why hasn't yet Neha, अभी तक नेहा को जॉब क्यों नहीं मिला? So these are the questions, and as I told you earlier also, we are having these 4 questions. We have the answers also here. Okay, has Neha got a job? You are using yes, Neha. Yes, she has got a job. That is your positive answer. If answer is no, no. Here I have to use no. No, she has not yet got any job. So here in these 6 sentences we have the questions, we have the answers. See, next, hasn't Neha got any job? नेहा को अभी तक जॉब कोई नहीं मिला. No, she has not. No, यहाँ पे use the same thing. No, she has not yet got a job. अभी तक उसको कोई जॉब नहीं मिला. In this way. Now, अगर वो जिसको जॉब मिला है, then when has Neha got a job? So your answer you have to, if you know that she got a job 15 days before in the last month, then your answer should not be she has got a job in the last month. That is not possible. She has got a job in the last month is not possible. She got a job in the last month. Has को अब remove करना पड़ेगा. That is not present perfect. That is simple past. Okay. Now why has not yet Neha got a job? Job नेहा को अभी तक job क्यों नहीं मिला? Okay. Neha has not yet got a job. Neha has not. This is the answer. Why hasn't Neha yet got a job? Now इसका जवाब यहीं पे है. Neha has not yet got a job because her communication skill is weak. Because her communication skill is weak. For example, I'm telling you. So now this is the reason. You are showing the reason here only. You write the full sentence or you tell the full sentence. After that you join that part. Because she is not so confident in her communication skill. So that's why she has not yet got a job. So in this way, all the 6 sentences are there, where your questions are there, your answers are also there. So you need to follow it carefully. So that we, and another thing, as I was telling you, I'll let you know in another video ki how American people they use this present perfect tense, and British people, some minor differences are there in between these two. Okay, but we are using knownly or unknownly both. Sometimes in British English we use, sometimes we are using in American English also, but some differentiations are there. I will let you know in another video.